Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and thanks for tuning in. Today we're diving into Power BI Desktop, and I'm going to show you how to order your data by month, day, or week. Super useful if you're working with time-based reports or dashboards. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up these date-based columns, so your charts and tables make perfect logical sense. No more jumbled months or out-of-order days. Let's get started. First, open up Power BI Desktop and make sure you have your project ready. If you're already working with a data model that includes a date parameter or column, you're in exactly the right place. Just find the table that holds your date field. Now, if you look over in the Fields pane, you'll want to right-click on that table. This is the one that contains the date info you want to sort or group later. When you right-click, you'll see a menu pop up, and what you're looking for is Edit Query. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you into Power Query Editor, which is sort of like the backstage area in Power BI, where all your data shaping magic happens. Now take a breath and make sure you select the actual date column. Sometimes tables have more than one. You want the specific field that holds your date values, whether they're in full date format or maybe just year and month. Once you've got it, look up at the top ribbon in Power Query Editor and click on the Add Column tab. This is where we're going to create brand new columns based on parts of that date. Find the date dropdown, there's a little calendar icon next to it, and click there. You'll see several options, but for this walkthrough, let's choose month and then click month again in the submenu. What this does is extract the numerical month from your date column. So if your original value is something like April 15, 2024, this new column will just show 4 for April. Super handy for organizing or grouping data by month, no matter how the original date is formatted. Now, feeling confident, let's do the same thing for the day or for the week, depending on what you need. You follow the exact same steps. With the date column selected, click Add Column, then Date, and then pick either day or week, whatever's most helpful for your reporting needs. For example, adding a day column lets you spot trends on specific days across months, while adding a week column is super useful for weekly sales or performance analysis. And don't worry if you're not sure which one to add, you can always add more than one, and Power BI won't mind a bit. Once you've got these new columns created, you're already more than halfway done. Just close the query editor and apply your changes so those columns show up in your main data model. Now, adding them to your tables or visuals becomes a breeze. Instead of dates being all jumbled up, your months, days, or weeks will appear in logical order, making your reports not only look more professional but also way easier for everyone to understand. And honestly, that's it. The tools in Power BI really make it simple once you know where to look. Take your time if any of the steps feel new, or rewind and pause the video if you need to. Remember, the more you practice shaping your data like this, the faster and more confident you'll become. I hope you found these tips helpful for organizing your time-based data in Power BI Desktop. If you learned something new, go ahead and smash that like button. Still have questions or maybe a tip of your own to share? Drop a comment below. I read every one and I'm always happy to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy Power BI tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.